Before you order your Serena shades, you will need to measure your windows. In this video, we will show you how to measure for a honeycomb shade that is mounted on the window frame or above the window frame. Following these easy guidelines will help ensure that you order the proper size shade for your window. Before you begin, consider the following. Do you want to cover all of the window trim? Or do you want some of the trim exposed, and if so, how much? How much light do you want filtering through the left and right sides of the shade? The wider the shade, the smaller the light gap. Do you want the bottom rail to extend past the windowsill as the shade is lowered? If you're going to mount your shade on the window frame, simply measure the frame vertically from the top trim to where you want the bottom of the shade to hang. Then measure horizontally at the middle of the frame from trim to trim. Round these measurements up to the nearest 1/8 of an inch and write them down as your order width and order height. If you will be mounting your shade above the trim, you will also need to measure how many inches above the frame you want to mount the shade, and add that measurement to the frame height, rounding up to the nearest 1/8 of an inch. This is typically around 3 inches. And that's it! Now you can order your Serena shades.